target former President Mahama mani lose 2016 election, you could see say and corruption issues are related. Ewo mampani Akua amamuo mu no aye more than de na o mampani dada Mahama no watie adwaso no said na esitien onka hwe kura no ye nya special prosecutor ono ankasa free ye susu se me pa cho me pese me nya ne yie na wonso nya ne yie ye nya special prosecutor o free party ye susu se na wo ye NDC ni amana ba ye aban Penia obe fight corruption. Other state agencies are almost here corruption fighters and ebebo na chidom. Yera Martin Amidu. Openi ne ba ye special prosecutor. Ye susu so free NDC muno. Senke bi edru baabi no. Ne nsem kan ye bi kura kire se oba bete NDC fo a ye susu se omo ye corrupt. Oba be yi wo mo hontoma. But this man came one fighting tontom. At the end of the day, he told Ghanaians to say, if you want to look for where corruption is, don't pass by the presidency. Emma Owura Martin bi do baby be catch Ghana for say, if you want to look for the mother serpent of corruption, it is the president. This alone Ekacha will say, if you are voting against Mr. Mahama or you voted against Mr. Mahama in election 2016 based on corruption, Owura Martin bi do Ekacha say, the mother serpent of corruption e Owura Kufuado enti say a corruption and one the target former President Mahama, he has been vindicated here.